Hi vlog. So I am back and I recently got my hair with the hair tape. It's really good for right now. I just did like the ombre for the dark to the blonde and stuff. So like even with the black, it's some of my real hair, some is not. Like most of this is like the extension and stuff, but it's really cute. In the place here, I made some updates and changes, thank God, because I was getting sick of it. I was getting tired of like being in like one section of my house. So this is the island here. Got my accoutrements for the candy and then like my water, stuff like that. So I want to like get another acrylic stool or do like two of the leather. And then, you know, I can just work from here, cook. I got this nice addition. Shout out to T, by the way. Watching his gossip shit. So I got the new addition to the lights here. So I just did like the neon and stuff. And then I did the same for the bed. So it has like the same highlights. And these are the same LED strips that I use for the kitchen. I brought out the little Prosecco bottle and just leave like the teas and stuff like that. But I love this. So I got this from Amazon and definitely needed something like roomy so I can like film and stuff, because like I hate filming and like I love filming in my kitchen, but I felt like there was something missing. So like this like gives it more depth. Yeah, so like this is really cute. Yeah, this is super cute. So like, you know, if I want to present something, I can do that. I'm gonna put the links for all the stuff that I got in the description. But yeah, this is super cute. I can see myself like just doing more content here because it looks more presentable. It looks like something's there versus like, you know, having all of this and stuff is empty. So next on my agenda, I am going to, even though I like this desk here, I'm gonna switch it out. I want glass here. I always wanted glass, but for some reason, like I just got that one instead because I really didn't feel like dealing with glass. And then I'm gonna switch that chair out and get like more of a natural color because I have mostly white in here now. So I don't want everything to wash out. Notice the colors here. So I did the acrylic with the neon, things like that. I had my mirror here and really pissed off. It got broken because I had some rowdiness from above and it broke. So I'm gotta get it fixed, which is fine. But I'm thinking about putting one of those tall squiggly mirrors. I don't know, maybe I can like put an insert here, like what I'm talking about. One of those tall squiggly mirrors from like above and the ground up. And then put some like designer boxes. So I'm gonna probably buy like some, you know, Louis Vuitton Hermes boxes and stuff, and then go from there. And then like a disco ball. So I want a disco ball over there too. So that's like kind of filling everything up, really. And then the closet, I'm going to leave this up for here because it's very convenient. It's very chic for the time being, but I am getting a closet built. And it does take a long time for the custom ones to get made. So I'm just gonna like, just leave it as it is there. My bathroom, even though like I have put the marble, the faux marble on the other kitchen, I don't want to do it here because I think it would defeat the purpose. And I need to get some more things. It's so annoying. But yeah, I'm totally in love with this. This is like, it just puts everything together. And I am gonna film some pieces as well. I am going to fill out my workout gear because it's like my Lululemon and they have like the chicest tops. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. It's so like buttery smooth, and then like it feels like you have nothing on. That's what I really like about it. And it's very supportive as well. So it's like super supportive. And then I'm going to figure out how to do my hair too. So yeah. I went on for 5 minutes. I'm like, feel like I'm talking for everything. The destinations I've been to. So I'm gonna do like a whole book collection of them. Full space. I'm trying not to let my cat destroy everything. So Yeah, so hopefully he won't touch the pill. It should be really heavy too. Oh yeah, and I forgot I got this new chair as well. So I'm going to get another Hermes blanket, switch it out, get an orange. So, cause like I said, this is like, since I got this edition out, everything is like really, really like white. So I'm gonna put a pop of color here and then just a pop of color here. Very depressed, so I was like, I need color and stuff. I need neutrals because I have depression and like I need something bright because like everything should be bright and colorful. Hit candles. So they haven't got here yet, but I always have the little dupes that I use from Target. So this is actually the cherry blossom and peony from Target. They're like $6 and I go through these like crack. Absurd amount. I need to buy them in bulk and stuff, but as you can see, this one's working here. I put Baccarat in this one, but I will tune with you later once I get back from the gym.
In the club, free gully, no doubt. He got his crew, but I got mine too. Send a note to my table like, what you gonna do? In the club.